All right, that's just our Thousand Island dressing in the bottom of our 13 by 9 pan. Now we're just adding in our Oreata crinkle cut fries. Just gonna give these a spread into a single layer here. That looks perfect. All right, and now we've got our miniature chicken patties here. These are just with a neutral seasoning, which is gonna be perfect for this easy one pan meal that everyone will love. I love to bring this one to church. It's perfect for the summer, really any time of year, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. Now we wanna give this a little bit more spice and flavor, so I'm gonna add in our curl seasoning here. And I am just gonna kind of apply this generously. Ooh, it's one of my absolute favorite seasonings and tastes. Gorgeous. Now I've got our Stouffer's mac and cheese here. We're just using the frozen kind. And I've got 2 of these and I am just plopping them in, and then so easily, look at this. They pop right out and they're just gonna naturally spread. All right, and we're just gonna top this with some of our tater tots, and these are just gonna kind of go around those beautiful mac and cheese wells. They are covering the chicken. This is a great thing to make if you're in charge of, you know, the carbo load for if your kids are in sports and they need a hearty meal to share with friends the night before their big meet or their big game. That's a big tradition in my family. All right, we're just gonna come back in with our Thousand Island here. And I did get the family size, but you know, this is a family size meal, so that kind of worked out in our favor. Beautiful. This looks perfect. Just getting this spread edge to edge. And I'm gonna put some more of that curl seasoning right on top. This time I've got the whole vent open and we're just gonna go in with a good amount of this so we can really turn up the flavor in this easy one pan dinner. Alrighty, I'm gonna be popping this into my oven at 350 for 1 hour. Alrighty, y'all, we had this in our oven for just about an hour. Like I said, look how good these tater tots look. They're just so crunchy and crispy. We're gonna put a little bit of our fresh chives right on top to give it a little bit of greenery. I want you guys to see how juicy, delicious, tasty, magnificent this is going to be for the potluck tonight. The kids are going to love it. I'm gonna just pop this spot right back in there. No one will be any the wiser to know that I showed you. All right, guys. I'm not gonna have a bite now because I'm gonna take this to the potluck, but you gotta try it.